Hey guys, it's Melanie here. Welcome to my full band for fourth grade tonight. I hope you guys are doing awesome. I guess it's Friday morning for you. Hope you've had an awesome week, and I hope you have watched my announcements above in the weekly update. So please check that out if you have not. That is part of your assignment today, is watching the announcements. So I will be checking if you watch my announcements. So please check it out. Okay, we're going to start right into full band today. So make sure you have your instrument, you have your book, and if you're a trumpet player, you can watch the screen because I will be putting the trumpet music on the screen for you today as I feel like playing trumpet today. So flutes, make sure you have your book this time. Percussion, trombones, and saxophones have your books available and easy to see with a good posture from home, okay? Since I have a new tech personality now, I will wear my glasses to be silly because I feel very techy now that we are doing virtual school. All right, guys, we're going to start on number 52, so please turn in your books to number 52 really quickly here. And we're going to start with Tone Builder. I'll wait just a second as you get that up. All right. Now, this is a really good warm-up to do. So we're going to begin with this one. It starts on the fifth note of our scale, of our concert B-flat scale. So F for flutes, D for saxophones, G for trumpets, and F for trombones, okay? So let's go ahead and sing it one time. This is Tone Builder. There's our first note. 1, 2, singing finger. Da, 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 da. Rest, 2, sing your letters. Da, 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 da. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Nice. Okay, so I didn't sing letters because I don't want to confuse you, because if I sing letters, then it might be different from your letters. So make sure you're using your letters whenever we sing in finger. Okay, let's try and play this together. Here's the beginning, and I will play it with a metronome. Ready? 1, 2, Tone Builder. Whew, nice job. Okay, so that was nice and slow. I think we can pick it up a little bit, but the whole point is to play long notes. Okay, here it is again a little faster. Tone Builder 52A. 1, 2, ready. Nice job, guys. Awesome. Okay, I will not play it with the track because I don't have time really. We can do it, but let's go on to rhythm etude. This one's a little trickier. We have a different rhythm happening. So let's sing and finger this one. 1, 2, rhythm etude, and da 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 da. Rest, rest. Da 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 da. Rest, rest. Da 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 da. Yes. Okay. So good job, guys. What is this kind of rest? Who can tell me? Yes, I see you right there. It's a whole rest, right? Silencio de redonda, and it's 4 beats. How about this one? Yes, that's right. It's a half rest. It's 2 beats. Good job. You guys know your stuff. Okay. And then this is called a fermata or a calderón. And that tells us to hold the note extra long, usually double the value, depending on the conductor when they cut it off. Okay, let's try to play rhythm etude. Let's do this one with the track for fun here. rhythm etude with our track. See what that sounds like. Here we go. We're ready? Hands up. Whoa, that was a long note. Good job, everybody. That was awesome. All right, so it's kind of fast. If you need to do it again, feel free, or do it again slowly at your pace, okay? All right, this rhythm rap, let's just try to play it on your concert B flat. That's B flat for flutes, that's G for saxophones, that's C for trumpets, and B flat for trombones, and B flat for xylophone. Okay, we're gonna play this rhythm. Here we go. Just playing it on ta ta. Let's clap it first, and then we will play. 1, 2. Here we go. And ta ta ti ti ta ti 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 ta ta ti ti ta ti ti ta stop ti 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 ta. Yes, it has a repeat sign, but we won't do it right now. I want to play it with you. Here we go. Ready? And I think I will put on the track because it will sound cool. Ready? Here we go. Rhythm rap. Playing. Here it goes. Oops. Yes, clearly we should stomp our feet, but I don't have a hard floor. I have carpet, so you can't really hear it. So I bang the desk. Okay, good job. So we should be really good at our quarter notes and our eighth notes, tas and TTs right now. Should be pretty easy, right? Okay, we're going to back it up now. We're going to go back to 45 just as a review, as like a fun little warm-up. We should totally know this song. I'm going to go back to my 45. This is William Tell. We did this for homework a while ago. Okay, so this is just a fun to review. Let's just go ahead and play it with our track. Let's do it with classical, no melody. Ready, guys? And you guys are set. Horns up, xylophones up on your tablet. Okay, nice job. We should remember that one. If you want to go ahead and do that over, feel free to review the video and do that again. That's a fun one. But I'm going to go ahead and move forward. Okay, let's look at number 47. We did do this one for homework also, 47, during virtual school. So hopefully you guys sent that homework into me. If you didn't, please do it. And a late grade is always better than 0. Okay, guys, let's go ahead with country. Ooh, fun. And let's just play through it because you guys should know it. Normal speed. Here we go. Repeat sign's good. Nice. Super job, guys. Loved it. Okay. Cool. Let's go on to number 48. This one we've not done before, and it's a little bit tricky. The notes move quickly, okay? We have 2 pickup notes here. These are extra notes because there are not 2 beats in the measure. Look, the other beat ran away. So I always say the family ran away, and these guys wanted to be famous in the beginning of the song and be the pickup notes, okay? So they like pick up the song. All right, we have allegro 2/4 times, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 2 beats per measure. Lots of tas and TTs. Let's go ahead and sing it once, play it once. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun. Nice. This is a tricky song, especially here. These eighth notes move very fast and they jump around a lot. There's not the same note repeated, so you have to really practice these two measures, okay? Here we go. If you need to sing it again, do so. If you need to practice with the slide positions or the fingers, do it again. But this one will go real slow. No metronome, we will just play. Here we go. Ready? Super slow. 1, 2, 1. Nice. Okay. Yes. Nice and slow. And then I will do it one time with the track. Here we will choose with a march because it is a march. Very fun. Here we go. Ready? It's probably pretty quick. This is challenge speed. Woo. Yes, that was flying. Okay, so that is super speed, challenge speed, okay? Very nice. Please work on that some more on your own. Okay, we're going to jump ahead to 49. This was your homework last week, okay? We had this low new note, which was low A for trumpets. It was low G, I think, for flutes, and low F sharp for saxophones. Anyway, we had a low note for everybody. So make sure you get that low note, and we're going to give it a try right now. This should be a review. We will do classical for right now, and let's play it all together. That was Hey Ho, Nobody's Home. We watched a funny YouTube video last full band on that one, so that is super duper cool. Okay, next I want to hit this week's homework. I'm gonna skip the dynamics for right now, come back to this one in my next full band. I will do a part 2 of today's full band, so make sure you are up to speed on that. I'm gonna go right up to Frere Jacques. This is this week's homework. La Lechuza. Okay, we have a tutorial on it, but let's just play it together as a band while we are together today. Here we go. Concert band, no melody. It does repeat. Be ready to repeat. Awesome. So that is a canon. So please practice that one. Make sure you submit it by today. It's due tonight. So make sure you're caught up on that one. Okay, guys. Then we have a new song that is being posted today in the tutorials for your next week's homework. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, send me a Google Hangout, write in the discussion board, do whatever you need to do to write to me or your studio teacher. And we are here to help you. We can do a private extra help, a private lesson, Google Hangout. We are here for you. Okay? Watch my next full band and see you in the next video. Ciao!